Dating apps didn't ruin modern love because people stopped wanting relationships. They ruined it because the system meant to create them is broken. We didn't just change how people meet, we changed how people value each other. Love used to start with proximity, shared environments, repeated exposure. You met at work, through friends, in real life. There was context, accountability, friction, and friction mattered. Dating apps removed that. They turned connection into a marketplace, people into profiles, and commitment into something optional. When humans become photos and bios, character gets overlooked and presentation takes over. And presentation is easy to fake. That's the first problem. Second, dating apps create the illusion of endless options. When options feel endless, investment disappears. Why work through confusion when replacement feels instant? Once people feel replaceable, they stop protecting relationships. They leave early, disappear, keep one foot out the door, not because they're bad, because the system trained them. Third, attention replaced intention. Apps reward likes and matches, but attention isn't love, it's stimulation, and stimulation fades. So people confuse validation with interest, chemistry with compatibility, excitement with stability. You can talk to many people and still feel disconnected because attention spreads thin and connection requires focus. More access, less depth, more conversations, less commitment. Modern dating didn't fail because people got worse. It failed because the incentives changed. The system rewards browsing, not building. Yo, it's OG Dave. Happy New Year 2026. If you're done with surface level thinking and ready to build structure in life and relationships, join us at TossieAdvisoryGroup.com. Tag Premium Team.